Hello everyone! Do you really want to find out how to run a Python macro in LibreOffice Calc? If yes, let's dive in. Firstly, let's recollect how we can write and run some macro using BASIC. For this, we need to open the macro editor, choosing the Tools menu, Macros, Edit Macros. In the opened window, write a simple macro Hello World. The macro will store the Hello World phrase into cell with address B7. OK, close the editor. Now run our macro. Select Tools, Macros, Run Macro. Choose our macro Hello World and run. Well done. On BASIC, all works good. What about Python? LibreOffice Calc doesn't have its own editor for Python, as it does for BASIC. It means you will need to use an external editor for writing a Python code. The simplest choice is Notepad++. So first of all, create a Python file with your macro code. All custom Python scripts are located in the following folder. If scripts and Python folders don't exist, you will need to create it by your own. So copy the folder path until user and paste it into File Explorer. As you can notice, the scripts folder is absent, so we have to add it manually. Then add Python folder. In Python folder, create a regular text file and rename it into, let it be myPyScript. With extension py. Open the file with Notepad++ editor. Insert the following code. The macro inserts Hello Python phrase into cell B8. So save the changes and return to the LibreOffice Calc. Now run our Python script. For this, select Tools, Macros, Organize Macros, Python. In my macros, you can notice myPyScript module. That equals to our Python script file that contains Hello Python macro. Select it and run. Very good, we have done it. All macro codes and useful links are available in the description below. If the video was helpful for you, please leave your feedback in the comments below. And have a nice day. Bye.